What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the incomplete masterpiece in Crimson Desert. The name does imply an artwork of a weapon. This great axe for Unka's got good engravings, but it lacks in abyss gears as all 5 slots are vacant. Nonetheless, it still dishes out 23 points in attack with a level 2 critical rate buff. You'll find this great axe inside the territory of Gorthak. It's just above the letter E of Delesia, and aligns horizontally at the top of Gorthak's letter G. If we zoom in, you'll find that it's inside a place called Krull Foundry. If you're approaching from the southern entrance, just head inside this building to the east. Make 2 right turns into a tight corridor until you see a hole on the wall. Crawl through that hole and you'll find a chest. Loot its contents and you'll find another big toy for Unka. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.